This is the kind of dish that you can put in the middle of the table and everyone can help themselves. It's a family meal. For today's recipe, I will only recommend chicken thighs. These are boneless and skinless. I'm cutting it into about 1-inch thick cubes. I always season meat before I start cooking them, so that's salt and pepper. If you have any other spice that you want to add, please do so. Browning flour for roux, for thickening sauces. This definitely has got a better taste. I like the nutty flavors. Keep stirring and don't wander around your kitchen while you're doing this. Let's start cooking. Start with olive oil. Chicken. Just let it sit there for about 2 minutes before stirring. I think 2 minutes is over, so we can stir it. We can put the chicken on the side and we'll add onion. Chicken is continue browning while the onion is softening. Butter. Let it melt. Brown all-purpose flour. Mushrooms. Mushroom broth. Transfer it to baking dish. Mushroom broth. This is polenta, cornmeal in English. Water must not be boiling when you start cooking polenta. And start stirring until it gets thick. It's getting close, we're almost there. I want to call this polenta al forno. Preheated oven. Inside the oven, bubbling away.